Hi students, today we will move to the supplementary reading unit number 2, the dream. Okay, so let's start the lesson. Once there was an old woman. She was an intelligent woman. Once upon a time there was an old woman lived, okay, and she was an intelligent, okay. She used her intelligence only to do good to others all her life. She always do good to others in her life, okay. So one night after a hard day, she fell asleep. One night what happened? She was fast asleep, okay, and she had a strange dream. When he slept that time he had a strange dream, okay. Then she dreamt that she died in her bed. Her dream, what was her dream? She dreamt that she died in her bed. Okay, it was shocking, right? So the dream continued. In her dream, what happened? See here. In her dream, the dream continued. Now, from where she was standing, she could see at a distance two ornamental gates with arches. In the dream, what happened there? From where she was standing, there she could see at a distance two ornamental gates with arches. Ornamental means decorating gates, okay, with arches. Arches means kamanugulu in Kannada, this type of, okay. So ornamental gates with arches, okay. So they looked alike, and they two gates looked alike, okay. The arches bore welcome sign, and the arches bore means a hole, okay. So this arches bore welcome sign, and they has a welcome signs, okay. Two men guarded the gates, and there were two men, and they were guarded the gates. Which gates? Ornamental gates, okay. So one at each gate. Two men are there, and they guarded the gates, one at each gate, okay. They looked alike, and the men's also looked alike, same, okay. She could see pathways beyond the gates. So, and she could see pathways means on the way or road. She could see a road beyond the gates. Beyond means that side of the gates, okay. Beyond means that side, okay. So they look like alike, and they also looked like alike, same to same. Roads, pathways also looked alike. She wanted to examine them closely. So she wanted to see them closely, okay, examine them, okay. So as she walked towards the gates, a bodiless voice was heard. When she walked towards the gate, there was a bodiless voice, okay, was heard. It said, one of them is liar. So it said that one of them is liar. Them means here two men who guarded the gates, right? One of them is liar, and fell silent. The bodiless voice said that one of them is liar, and it was silent. Bodiless voice was silent. So liar means a person who tells lies, okay. Liar means sullu heluvavanu in Kannada, okay. So in two men guarded the gates, right? One of them is a liar, okay. So why am I warned like this? Why am I warned like this? So woman exclaimed. So the woman exclaimed that, why I am warned like this? A bodiless voice warned her that one of them is a liar, right? So she exclaimed that, why am I warned like this? Why should one of them lie to me? So why should one of them lie to me? They didn't know me, right? Why should one of them lie to me? What do I want from these guards? What do I want from these guards? They are strangers for me. Then what do I want from these guards? So it was then that she realized that she was thinking of heaven. Then she realized that she was thinking of heaven and was curious to know what it was like. So she was realized that she was thinking of heaven, okay, and was curious about to know what it was like, how the heaven is like. Okay, so I think one of those pathways leads to heaven and the other to hell. So she thinks that one of those pathways, there is a road, right, and it leads to heaven and the other to hell. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು, ಸತ್ತಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ನರಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ರೋಡ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆವನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆವನ್ and was curious to know what it was like. Okay, so I will talk to those guards, she thought. So she thought that I will talk to those guards. There are two guards, right? She wanted to talk to these guards. Okay, then she stopped. The warning came back to her. So then she stopped there. Then again the warning came back to her. Okay, she stood there and thought for a while. When the warning came back again, she stood there and thought for a while. She wondered how she could ferret out the truth from them. She wondered how she could ferret. Ferret means find out. How could she find out the truth from them? To them whom? To two men, guarders, right? Two guards, right, who guarded the gates. How she could ferret out the truth from them? The chances of being told the truth seems 50-50. The chances of being told the truth seems 50-50, she thought. She thought that there was a chances of being told the truth seems 50-50. Okay, so but she was an intelligent woman. She thought she should frame her question well, and she did frame her question well. She asked the first man she met, "Sir, please tell me, what would that other guard say if I asked him which is heaven's gate?" So she was an intelligent woman and she thought that she should frame her question well, and she did it. And she asked the first man, okay, whom she met, and asked, "Sir, please tell me, what would that other guard say?" What would the other guard say if I asked him which is heaven's gate? When I asked him the question, which is the heaven's gate, what would that other guard say? So the guard smiled. The guard smiled and pointing to his gate he said, the guard smiling and he pointing to his gate and he said, "Madam, he would show you my gate." That he told that he would show you my gate. Okay, the woman now knew for sure that his gate was not the gate to heaven. Then the intelligent woman now knew that for sure that his gate was not the gate to heaven. It was not gate to the heaven. Okay, she walked to the other gate. The guard there greeted her and let her in. Then she went to the other gate, and there was a guard, and he greeted her and let her in. She enjoyed her long walk to heaven, and she reached the heaven gate, and she enjoyed her long walk. Okay, and she reached heaven. At this point, the woman's dream ended. Okay, when she reached heaven, her dream was ended. She woke up and sat in her bed. Then she woke up, okay, and she think, what a dream, she chuckled. She chuckled that, what a dream. Chuckled means astonishment on her face. Okay, ascharya. Okay, what a dream. Was that man I talked to the liar or the truthful person? Was that man I talked to the liar or the truthful person? When I am in a dream, that time I talked with two persons, right? They are a liar or the truthful persons? I don't know. But I made sure what he was telling me was not the truth. But I know that what he was telling me was not the truth. He was a liar. The truthful man would only report to me the liar's exact words. Here the guard smiled and pointing to his gate, he said, Madam, he would show you my gate, right? He was a truthful person. But when first one person is there, right? He was not a truthful person. He was a liar. Because the truthful man would only report to me the liar's exact words, and the liar would twist the truthful man's words, right? So now a strange thought came to her mind. My dream had a puzzle in it. So a strange thought came to her mind. She thinking much more. Okay, my dream had a puzzle in it. Puzzle means cause to feel confused. It is a problem. In Kannada, Wagatu. Okay, so should I share my dream with my class 7 students? So should I share my dream with my class 7 students? She chuckled again, and she chuckled again, astonished. Okay, she laughing quietly again. She lay down and went back to sleep. Then she lay down and went back to sleep. She died that night peacefully in her sleep. And she died in that night in her sleep. She slept peacefully in her sleep. Okay, and that is the last word. She talked. Should I share my dream with my class 7 students? She chuckled, and then she lay down, went back to sleep, and she died that night peacefully in her sleep. Okay, understood? Okay, bye.